Hi, I'm Allison Marinelli, and today I'm speaking with George Haber, the CEO of CrestaTech.
Wherever you are in the world, your laptop will receive the television signals transmitted from the air or from cable in that region where you are.
I spoke to him about CrestaTech's innovative technology and his tips for new entrepreneurs. Thanks for speaking with us today, George.
Thank you.
So we're familiar with satellite radio and being able to listen to radio from anywhere in the world. Can you tell us why you feel TV programming should start to follow the same model?
Yes, so if you think about it, television today is the only high-volume consumer electronic device that is still geography specific. So a TV that is made for North America, Canada and US, will not work in Japan, it will not work in Europe, it will not work in South America. And that's just absurd in this modern age of technology. So CrestaTech came up with the idea of programmable broadband, which means we capture the waves in a piece of hardware, and then we use the software inside the device to interpret those waves and based on the location to play back the proper TV signal.
That's sort of a breakdown of how it works, but can you tell us what devices it works with?
So our primary target today is personal computers and tablets, and now we are expanding into high definition, high resolution televisions as well.
So are you targeting more of a consumer market or a manufacturing market?
So our customers are the manufacturers of devices, the PC makers, the tablet makers, and the TV makers. Their customer is the consumer electronic crowd. So when you will buy your next laptop, it may have our device in it, and then wherever you are in the world, your laptop will receive the television signals transmitted from the air or from cable in that region where you are.
I noticed that you have the smart software, but you also have the Exceive Smart Tuner hardware. Can you tell us if you need both of these products in order for it to work?
Yes, we need. So the Smart Tuner has the ability to tune into the proper signal at the frequency where it's transmitted. And it's smart because it can adapt itself to all the standards all around the world. Now the software, the moment that the Smart Tuner captured a signal, the software will interpret the waves in that signal. It will understand what they mean, and it will play back the video that was modulated in that signal.
Is online piracy an issue at all?
Well, we are not creating piracy. We enable people to receive the signal just like they would receive it in their own TV. If people would misappropriate that signal and use it and send it to their friends, that is not what we are doing or enabling. That may be a byproduct. That's not our focus.
Is there a way that you will address issues like that if they do arise?
If content is protected, like it is on cable systems, then we will not decode it or display it unless the user has the so-called DRM, that stands for Digital Right Management hardware. Otherwise, we are no different than any TV that its input can be recorded on a DVR or videotape or straight to the internet. We are the technology that enables the universal reception. If the content, again, is encrypted, we will not do anything with it. If it's free content, then we will display it on the display of the device, just like any other TV solution would.
Okay. Now, you've had experience starting up several other companies of your own. Can you tell us how that helped you in developing this one?
Well, it's a very interesting story. So, my mother tongue actually is Hungarian. It's one of those, and I was born in a place that's called Transylvania, which is real, not only in the Dracula movies. And I was wondering, how come we as humans can speak multiple languages and use the same ear and the same mouth?
And you speak 5 other languages, that's right?
Correct. Only the brain actually interprets the sounds differently. And I was saying to myself, why isn't the television or the radios using the same ideas? And we realized that for some reason, probably historic, all TVs are made to be region specific, or all PCTV solutions were made to be for one country only. And that was the genesis of the idea that it should work just like the human brain, just like the way we communicate, whereby the hardware captures the waves. And once those waves are captured, then the software inside your device can do a lot of computation because of so-called Moore's law, that you have more and more transistors, more and more compute power on the device. That computation becomes cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and then today can be done on any laptop. Tomorrow it will be done on any cell phone.
You had experience starting up several other companies in the past as well. So how did that experience help you develop CrestaTech?
Okay, so it's a great question. It helped me from one way because I had experience and I have seen what it takes to build a startup. And what it takes is a tremendous amount of work and focus and, convincing evangelism, convincing people that the ideas that, quote unquote, you, the startup person, has are not crazy. They are just on the border of being crazy, but can be implemented.
Not quite there yet.
Right. On the other hand, once you are successful in a startup, and I'm on my fifth, most people tend to become kind of lazier and too self-confident, which I try to avoid with every inch of brain that I had to make sure that I'm still hungry and I'm still foolish and I'm not thinking that I'm, successful because of luck or something else.
So if you could give one piece of advice to our viewers who are looking to start up their own companies or becoming entrepreneurs themselves, what would that be?
There are, I would say, two pieces. One, don't give up is the famous saying that, you should fear itself and nothing else. And two, if unsuccessful, then repeat number one. Try it again with maybe another idea. Just don't give up. Follow your dreams. If you believe in something, go for it. That's the purpose of life, right? To be creative, to do things that others haven't done it before us. Otherwise, we just copy, right? It's horribly boring.
Great. Well, thank you for speaking with us today, George.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
For more information on CrestaTech, go to Kidela.com.